I've told many of my friends that I would love to learn how to cook a little better, but today all you're gonna get out of me is showing you what a stove looks like. So here I am, Tom from iScrap, and we wanna show you what's in a stove, what's worth money on a stove, and what to look for. So I don't love stoves. There's not a lot of upgrades to them, but there are ways to make more money, and let me just show you a couple things off the bat. Number one, have your magnet. So you're gonna see most of the outside are gonna be steel, but oftentimes the burners are aluminum. So you do have a piece of steel on the top here. Now, we took this apart in advance. All you have here is a low grade board. Other than the copper wires on it, nothing else I would take. I wouldn't even take this board apart. I would leave it in there, but you can make money on the copper wires. Now, let's open this up. None of these are worth money, although I have seen people on eBay talk about reselling these. So again, I haven't done it myself, but sometimes people are missing this and you can sell these. So sometimes if you pop them off and put them into a little bucket for yourself, find out the make and then the model number, you can sell these replacement pieces on eBay, just a tip. But when I open this up, right, I got steel grates inside. I got nothing of real value. And if we scroll around to the side, we see that there's glass here, so some debris. But these are pieces that we took off the side, but it's important to see what's in that oven. Look at all the insulation. About an inch, inch and a half thick. So, you know, there's a lot of debris in these ovens. There's a lot of debris because of the steel, because of the plastic. But just to look, you see steel, steel, right? Steel, not a lot of value. And if you go to the back of the unit, the only place that you're going to be able to potentially see some value is from these copper wires. All these copper wires can get removed. If it's a gas-powered stove, you can see these brass couplings, but generally you're not going to see much copper or brass down here. This is a piece of stainless, so you do see a piece of stainless. This is steel, this is steel. And if this was an electric oven, obviously you wouldn't have the gas attachments. There'd maybe be a couple more pieces of wire. But from an oven like this, if you could pull 2 pounds of copper off in 3 minutes, that would be good, but I wouldn't spend much more time because there's nothing really to upgrade here. Now, my scrapyard buys these on a per item basis because of the debris and the glass, of course. Ask your scrapyard what they do. Some may just throw it into the light iron pile and not care about it. That's what we do. So don't forget, subscribe, like, comment to our page. Other items that we can help you learn more on how to scrap, let us know.